Hello and welcome to PP Learning Academy. I am Vijayant Kumar. As I mentioned early, this topic is something the whole world will soon talking about. Donald Trump wants to return to Afghanistan. Specifically, he aims to regain control of the lost military base Begum Air Base. Recently, Trump made a major statement in the UK, saying that the United States wants Begum Air Base back from Afghanistan and the Taliban. Now, this instant something that can simplify to downloaded or acquired online. If the US wants the airbase, they could have to go to Afghanistan, confront the Taliban and take a control. Trump also mentioned that this base is very close to location where China builds its nuclear weapons, and China has already reacted to this statement. We will get to that shortly. Previously, the US tried to establish control over Afghanistan with the goal of spreading democracy and creating a pro-US government. That plan didn't succeed and the US eventually left. Now a Trump interest is not in controlling the entire country, just the Begum Air Base. Once secured, it can be turned into a fertile base that the Taliban can't reclaim. The airbase is strategically located about 40 kilometers from Kabul, near key mountain passes leading to Central Asia. This makes it a critical hub for US operations in Saudi Asia, Central Asia and near China western border. Bagram Air Base is equipped with two runways, aircrafts, shelters, command centers, intelligence facilities, hospitals, and detention centers, capable of hosting thousands of soldiers securely. Even China has said that the decision on Bagram Air Base should be left to Afghanistan. However, the US under Trump has made its intentions clear. If necessary, the base could be taken militarily, possibly with logistical support from Pakistan. This move may also strengthen US Pakistan military and financial cooperation in the near future. Final questions for viewers. Pakistan has signed a mutual defense treaty with which country? Option A, Japan. Option B, Saudi Arabia. Option C, USA. Option D, Iran. Comment below with your answer. Correct answers will be acknowledged in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PP Learning Academy